Good afternoon, Aveah. It's Wednesday, May 7th. You should have this morning did your flashcards. Let me flip my camera. So your flashcards consist of all of the 0 rule facts. There's 10. And also the 1 rule facts. There are 10. So those flashcards should be done. Remember, the equation goes on, for example, let me give you an example. Equation on one side, answer on the other, okay? 1 card per equation. So there's a lot for you to do. And on the back of that page, there are the counting up or counting on, they mean the same, flashcards. These are for +1, these are for +2, these are for +3. You can find all of those here, +1, +2, +3. So those flashcards need to be complete. A lot of flashcards that you're going to be doing with these strategies. The last one is the make 10 or combinations of 10. They mean the same thing. So you will take these flashcards and you'll make one for each one. Now you might think you have 1 card too few, but 5 + 5 is repeated. So I'm not going to give you a flashcard for that because you've already gotten it. Okay? So that is what the flashcards are for. Now we're going to talk about each strategy closer, okay, in depth. So this is what your notebook looked like this morning. All right. And this was yesterday's afternoon. So all your stuff is labeled the same way. It'll say the day and morning or afternoon. Okay. So let's discuss the 0 rule. Both of these rules, one is 0 rule, one is 1 rule. These are called identity facts. Say identity facts. So on the 0 rule, it says any number added to the 0 equals that number. And that's true. Anything added to 0 is just that number that you started with. It keeps its identity. So you can write keeps its identity. My pencil's not that dark. There's glue underneath these. They're not dry yet because I just did that recently. The 1 rule, it states any number added to 1 equals 1 more than that number. So you just add 1 to the number that you're adding. Okay? Pretty simple. And make sure you have those flashcards done. Should have 20 between those two. Now this down here just says 0 facts. A number plus 0 equals that number. The number keeps its identity. Keeps its identity. And they just gave you some examples. 7 plus 0 is 7. 0 plus 14 is 14. 387 plus 0 is 387. Turn the page. Any writing that you do, you need to make sure it's small. Now this is the counting up strategy. They don't do any more than 3. So here's the +1, which we already did over here about the 1 rule. So we've got that already. So you actually didn't need flashcards for this. Let me, I'll fix that in your book so you won't make flashcards for that. And I'll put same as 1 rule. And I'll make corrections in my subnotes. Okay? So don't repeat those. No reason to do that. And then +2. You're adding 2 to everything. So mentally, you should be able to do this in your head. 5, 6, 7, or 7, 8, 9. And same with +3. So you'll have these sets of flashcards as well. So. And all it says down here is counting on, +1, +2, +3. Start with the larger number in your head and count on that many more. So say this first and count on this many. And this is all done in your head. So you'll say 6, 7, 8, 9. There you go. Something like that. And after we're done discussing these, we're going to practice. So you'll need your whiteboard and dry erase marker. If you want to pause the video, I'll remind you again in just a minute. You need a dry erase board and marker, and we're going to practice these after we talk about them. See what you remember from making your flashcards. This one is called Make 10. I've used this in the classroom before. What combinations of numbers make a sum of 10? So you need to know what you add to a number to get 10. And they're also called combinations to 10. These all mean the same thing. So you need to know what you add to a number to make 10. And you should have 11 flashcards. I know there's 12 equations, but 5 plus 5 is repeated. So 11 flashcards. All right. So those are the last pages that we're going to look at. And so now you need your dry erase board, you need your dry erase marker, and close your book. All right, so I'm going to ask you some equations, and you quickly write the answer. Okay? And I'm not there to show it to. So if Miss Kim wants to do this with you, she can. I'll write that in my note. All right. What is 9 plus 0? You quickly should have wrote 9. What is 6 plus 0? Should have quickly wrote 6 because we're just adding 0. One more. What's 3 plus 0? Should have quickly have written 3. Okay. Those are too easy, so we're just moving on. You probably already know these really well. Let's do the 1 rule. Do you remember what the 1 rule is? Where we're adding 1. Just 1 to the number. So get your board ready. What is 1 plus 4? Hope you wrote 5. What is 1 plus 8? Hope you wrote 9. What is 1 plus 6? Hope you wrote 7. So those are pretty simple. So moving on. We're going to look at the counting up rule, +2. So get your stuff ready. What is 2 plus 9? It's 11. What is 5 plus 2? 7. What is 2 plus 8? 10. What is 3 plus 2? 5. What is 2 plus 7? 9. What is 2 plus 10? 12. What is 2 plus 1? 3. 2 plus 2? 4. 6 plus 2? 8. And 4 plus 2? 6. All right, make sure your board's all erased. We're going to do plus 3 now. Ready? 9 plus 3. 12. 3 plus 3. 6. 6 plus 3. 9. 3 plus 10. 13. 3 plus 4. 7. 8 plus 3. 11. 3 plus 1. 4. 7 plus 3. 10. 3 plus 5. 8. 2 plus 3. 5. So if I'm going fast, I'm sorry, but this is how quickly we should know these. Okay? And if you don't, that's what the flashcards are for. Practice. So no pouting about it if you're not as fast as me. Remember, I'm old. Been counting a long time. All right, last thing we're going to practice is making 10. So get your board ready. Make sure it's erased. And if I am going too fast, just leave the previous answer on the board and just write it going down or across, you know, organize it. If you don't have time to erase, I totally understand. Ready? These are a little different because we all know they equal 10. So I'm not going to ask you what 9 plus 1 is because it equals 10. 7 plus 3 equals, all these equal 10. So I'm going to ask you, what do I add to get 10? Okay, so ready? What do I add to 4 to get 10? 6. What do I add to 8 to get 10? 2. What do I add to 0 to get 10? 10. What do I add to 6 to get 10? 4. What do I add to 1 to get 10? 9. What do I add to 5 to get 10? 5. What do I add to 7 to get 10? 3. What do I add to 2 to get 10? 8. What do I add to 10 to get 10? 0. What do I add to 9 to get 10? 1. Oops, sorry, my hand is hurting. What do I add to 3 to get 10? 7. What do I add to 5 to get 10? 5. So that one's repeated twice. How'd you do? I hope you did well. If not, it's okay, because we're going to be practicing a lot. You're going to practice every day, I hope, with your flashcards. whenever I get back, or this summer, I'll assess you. I'll time you for a minute and see how many you can get done. It's like a big page full, and we'll work at it. Okay. Lots more strategies to learn next. So it's in your book. Nifty Nines. I still use that as an adult. That's one that you will use all the time. And these combinations of 10, I still use those as an adult. Doubles. You'll make some flashcards for all your doubles. There they are. A little doubles wrap. Doubles has, 2 pages of information, but it's all the same. Just different ways to remember. Doubles plus 1 are also called neighbors. Okay, so I will see you in the next video. Stay sweet, be good, be nice. Love you. Bye-bye.